I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. The temperatures will be dropping steadily over the coming weeks, so stay tuned for a maintenance tip that could save you a lot of hassles and an expensive visit from your plumber right after this. Got any tools on your Christmas list? You're in luck this year. Today's homeowner has teamed up with Woodcraft to provide one lucky winner $1,000 worth of tools and woodworking supplies. Now through December 15th, enter the Tools Under My Tree giveaway at todayshomeowner.com/giveaway to win a $1,000 Woodcraft gift card. Again, it's very easy to enter. Just log on to todayshomeowner.com/giveaway. Exposed water pipes in the crawl space or other unheated areas of a home are a risk anytime the temperature drops below freezing. They can easily freeze and rupture if the water isn't flowing through them. Leaving the faucet slightly open keeps the water flowing, so that's less likely to freeze, but that isn't a long-term solution and it wastes a lot of water. Foam pipe insulation is the right answer. It comes in 3-foot lengths or 6-foot lengths that are easily split right down the side so that you can slip it over the pipe, and a self-adhesive strip holds it all together. You'll want to measure the pipe diameter first so that you get the right size material. You may also want to invest in a disposable crawl suit if your pipes are under the house. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.